Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you one very simple thing that you can all do at home. So I have this bottle holder here on my cycle and I have this air pump. So I wanted to carry this air pump with me when I go on long rides especially, and this doesn't really fit in my pouch. So I was thinking of a better way to carry it, and then I noticed that it has this clip which can actually be fitted along with my water holder, so that I can carry it along with me on my long rides. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, the only tool that I need is this set of Allen keys. So let's get started. So this hopefully is the one. So there are these screws here. There are just two screws, so I'm going to try and remove this and see how to fit the pump with it. So removing the screws is quite easy. Once you find the right Allen key, then you just turn it anti-clockwise. It starts getting loose. Yeah. And then one more at the bottom. There is this washer which was there to make the height adjusted, so I'm keeping this safely for now. So here as well there is this washer. Okay. Now basically what we have to do is, if I use the washer, this height wouldn't fit through. So we want to just avoid the washer and put the pump. So this has these slots which we would use to put the screws in through. So let me place it. And now we turn it in the clockwise direction. And there we fixed it. It's quite sturdy, it's not shaking, and this is also not shaking. So now I can put my air pump here, and we're good to go.